How to fix Windows Update error 0x80070645. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Enable .NET Framework 3.5, includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. Expand the section and mark all the associated checkboxes. Next, enable .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services. Expand the section and mark all the associated checkboxes, including ASP.NET 4.8. Click OK. If that didn't work, link in description. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.